Hi everyone, my name is Warda and I'm doing PhD in AI and Machine Learning from Higher School of Economics. So today we are going to solve the challenge. This video is all about, I will show you one project where I do the code and we are going to resolve the challenge. So let's move toward my screen. In this video, we are going to solve this large movie review dataset challenge. We have the challenge for fellowship.ai and we're going to solve this challenge first. So we have the dataset of 50k movie reviews and this is the CSV file. We're going to load this CSV file and then we're going to start our code. So here I already wrote the code, but I will explain you step by step what I did. I will show you how to do sentiment analysis using IMDB movie review dataset, and we will build a deep learning model with LSTM to tell if a review is positive or if a review is negative. So let's begin. Let me go more down. So in step 1, first of all, we are going to install the important libraries. Here you can see NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, NLTK, TensorFlow. We already installed the libraries. Then in step 2, we are going to import the most important libraries we're going to use, like for text, for prepare the data, to train the model and show the results. Then in step 3, we're going to load the IMDB dataset, which I already told you it has 50k movie reviews and each review is marked either positive or negative. So here I told you I already load the dataset and then here I recall the dataset. Let me go down. Then in step 4, we clean the text by removing HTML tags, symbols, and stopwords. We also make all the words lowercase. This helps the model understand the text better. Let me go down for step 5. So we split the data into training and test set. We use 80% of data for training and 20% to test the model. Okay, like here. And then in step 6, I change the words into numbers using tokenization. Then we make all the text the same length using padding, like maximum words 1000 and maximum length is like 300. So we built a deep learning model using LSTM. First we must say like we use embedding layers to turn words into vectors. Then LSTM learns the sequence, add the dropout to write something. I will show you how to do sentiment analysis using IMDB movie review dataset, and we will build a deep learning model with LSTM to tell if a review is positive or negative. So let's begin. In first step, I install the needed libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, NLTK, and TensorFlow. Then in step 2, I import the important libraries. These libraries will help to clean the text, prepare the data, train the model, and show the results. Then in 3 step, I load the data set, like where I already download here. And then I just recalled this data set here in step 3. And this will do like so it has like 50k movie reviews and each review is marked as either positive or negative. Then in step 4, let me go down. In step 4, we clean the text by removing HTML tags, symbols, and stopwords. We also make words into lowercase, and this helps the model to understand the text better. And then in step 5, we split the data into training and here is step 5. We split the data into training and test set. We use 80% of data for training and 20% to test the model. Let me go down. In step 6, we change the word into number using tokenization. Maximum words are 10k and maximum length is 300. Then we make all the text using length padding. Then we can see step 7. We built deep learning model using LSTM. First, we use an embedding layers to turn words into vectors. And then we add dropout to avoid overfitting. And the final layers to give the result. Yes. Step 8, we train the model for 5 rounds. And you can see here. And that calls apex. We also check the validation accuracy to make sure the model is not overfitting. Then in step 9, after training, we test the model using the test data. We print the accuracy to see how well data is work. And then in step 10, we draw a graph to show the accuracy during the training. If these lines are close, it means, here you can see, it means the model works well. And if they are far, it might be overfitting. So let me first explain this sequential. So the model has 4 layers and it builds using the sequential API in Keras. So first one is embedding layer. Second one is LSTM layer. Third is dropout layer. And fourth is dense outputs layer. And if you see this, you can see that training accuracy is improving and the model is learning well on training data. So this result show that our model can accurately classify a movie review is positive or negative and journalize well. For further improvement, we can also add further improvement. I upload the code here in my GitHub repository. And also I upload the README file where you can see and take a help. And do let me know if you want to resolve the next challenge. So thank you for watching. If this helps you, please tell me. And if you want to resolve the next challenge, you can also tell me.